Today, I'm gonna make chorizo with beans. So, there's a machine here running around here. Let me move out of its way. Start with our beans. Throw some beans, and if you have canned beans or homemade beans, however you want, start with the beans first, right? I'm gonna refry them. And then we're also going to put the chorizo on one side. Alright, now that we got it a little bit fried, I'm going to start smashing this. Chorizo, break it apart. I'm using this spatula because it's the flat one, and it breaks things apart even faster and better. So it's silicone, so I don't have to worry about sticking anywhere. And we're gonna move this around, get it everywhere around, and that's pretty much. I'm gonna cook it with this one and toss it with this. So we're getting the beans ready. And I have the beans from yesterday too, so we're gonna add a little bit more of the yesterday's beans, but get them nice and smash in here. Don't add salt, don't add anything. These are yesterday's beans I made. I'm gonna refry them again too, because they have good oil in there. I used bacon oil yesterday. Now I'm gonna cremate a little bit more milk too. Back. Said a little bit of milk, not too much. That's good enough. This is gonna give it the milk fat, and this is not 2% milk; it's regular milk. Get it nice and creamy. I like it. That's what she said. Then we got our chorizo ready too. You gotta do two at the same time. If you can't handle this, then you can't have any multitasking jobs. So cooks do it at restaurants. They run around. So we got it nice and creamy here. We're waiting for the chorizo to integrate it. And that's pretty much it. Cooking a little bit more of the chorizo. Alright, this is ready. We're going to turn it down to the lowest. Grab our beans. Integrate our beans with it now. So we're going to go ahead and integrate it. I love the spatula. Look at the spatula, what it does. Look at that. Gets everything out of it. Completely almost clean. It's easier to wash too. Get every single corner. Really good spatula. See that? So when I'm gonna wash this, I'm not gonna have an issue washing it because I'm gonna remove all the beans. Now we got it in here. Now we integrate them together. No salt, no pepper, no nothing. Now turn it all the way up. Make sure that it integrates good everywhere. See the corners? Mix it up. It's like a dance. You dance with this partner, they dance with this. Bingo. You don't want to oil on the corners. Make sure everything integrates. And at the same time, we're also going to start some tortillas. So we're going to put this on the side. We're going to serve our first burrito here. So grab a bunch of this chorizo and beans. Put a bunch of it because it's not grabbing none. So don't be greedy. This has a lot of protein and flavor. That's what we want. So remember, pamper style. You put it here. fold it. All right, and then this tortilla broke, but it's fine. Then you wrap it around and it's ready to go. Let's bite it. All right, let's take a look. First bite first. All right, first bite's always the best ones. You can add your cheese too and your jalapeno. Woo. One of my favorite things with beans and chorizo is on a bolillo. They even sell them already, but bolillos with it, and it has jalapenos. It is incredible. I hope you guys enjoy your meals.